Work out 4 and 1/5, take away 2 and 2/3. So these are two mixed numbers, and the way I'd start is to just look at the fractions to start off with. So let me write out that 1/5 take away 2/3. First of all, we need to convert these into having the same denominator, and we look at the lowest common multiple of 5 and 3. There'll be a link to how to work out the lowest common multiple of any two numbers, but for ones where these are prime, the lowest common multiple is just going to be these multiplied together. So lowest common multiple of these are 15. So the first one needs to be something over 15, take away something over 15. And for this one, 1/5 became something over 15. To get from the bottom number to 15, 5 to 15, we've times by 3. Times by 3. And so we need to do the same to the top. 1 times by 3 is 3. For this fraction, to get from 3 to 15, we've times by 5. So 3 times by 5 is 15, 2 times by 5 is 10 on the top. Okay, at this stage, I would notice that this is smaller than this. So 3 take away 10 is going to be -7. And that's going to be a bit annoying actually, because it will be 4 take away 2 is 2, 2 take away 7/15. And then it gets a bit more complex. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to steal a 1 from this 4 and put it with this fraction. So this fraction here becomes 4 and 3/15, and this one is 2 and 10/15. I'm just going to write that out, but I'm going to write in where I stole the 1 to put with this fraction. So that will look like is equal to 3 plus 1 and 3/15 take away 2 plus, not 2/3, 10/15. Okay, and this takeaway is taking away the 2 and this, so I'm just going to put in brackets. Or I could have just written another minus here without the brackets. Alright, so this 1 and 3/15, I'm going to put that into one fraction. And 1 on its own is like having a whole pizza and cutting it into 15. How many 15ths do you have? You have 15. So that will be the same as 15 over 15. 1 is equal to 15 over 15. And 15 over 15 plus 3/15 is 18 over 15. Is equal to 3 plus 18 over 15. Take away 2. And I'm just going to put the takeaway again. Take away 10 over 15. So first of all, we do the whole numbers. 3 take away 2 is 1. 18 over 15 take away 10/15 is going to be 8 over 15 plus 8 over 15. And whenever you see this, to put that into a mixed number, all you do is just take out the minus and put them next to each other. So it's equal to 1 and 8/15. And that's the answer.